Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Bovada to Cash App. The first thing I want you to do is launch up Cash App, and once you are on the home page you'll see Bitcoin. I want you to go ahead and tap on Bitcoin, and then here you'll see the price, buy, sell, things like that. Just scroll down until you see your Bitcoin address. I want you to go ahead and tap on this, and then here you'll see your Bitcoin address. Just go ahead and click here on copy. After that, I want you to go to Bovada, come to the top right, go ahead and click on your amount, and then on this drop down, click on withdraw. Now here, what I want you to do is go ahead and enter the amount that you want to go ahead and withdraw. Make sure it falls under the available to withdraw. Enter the amount, and then you just paste in your wallet address and then click on request withdrawal. So it'll take up to 15 minutes, but it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions. I'll see you in the next one.